Yeah, that's the one. By now, you have heard of smash burgers. I'm sure you've eaten a smash burger, but do you really know how to make a smash burger? There is a little technique to it and a whole lot of flavor. Let's get cooking. First things first, the meat. Ground chuck. Nothing leaner than this because we need the grease that comes out of this to make these burgers delicious, okay? Next, I love using a flat top griddle to make these smash burgers. You could also just use a cast iron skillet if you're cooking just a couple. So we're just gonna start by loosely setting our meat right on our cooktop. That's the sound you want. You also want your cook surface to be extra hot. Each burger is going to have 2 really thin patties. So unlike a regular burger where you've got a fat, juicy patty, we're making 2 thin patties and we want them to get good and crusty on the outside. For the smash, I'm gonna place a piece of parchment right on top and then press down really hard with 2 spatulas. Because they're so thin, they're not gonna take long to cook. After you smash them, then you season them with some salt and pepper. Yeah, that's the one. Then, next you're gonna put cheese just on half of the burgers and then place the other burger and put on top of the cheese so that the cheese is sandwiched in the middle. Recipe calls to butter the buns. Personally, I like to kind of grease the buns with the drippings that are in the pan. So once those have accumulated, just kind of rub your buns right in there. And then just let them toast. Now you've got your toasted, flavorful little bun. When it comes to a smash burger, this is a time where I don't love a lot of toppings, just a few, a little mayonnaise, some sauces, maybe a couple crunchy pickles. I keep it simple on the smash burger. But you can decorate it up however you want. Just look at that. Look at that. A diner style burger. Oh my God. You see that right there? This part? That's where the flavor is, okay? That right there, those little crunchy bits of ground beef with that creamy cheese in the middle. Add a little crunchy onion and pickle. The day is made. Rolling. Are you ready? Throw it in the towel.